All right, so the guy was weed whipping my yard, broke all this up. I'm gonna show you guys how to fix this quick and easy. It's not really hard. I've broken off some shims over here, and what I'm gonna do is cake them up with some liquid nails real quick. See how I got it short and I made sure that it would fit in there. Oop, that got a little dirty, look at that. Would you just look at it? All right, so now I'm gonna cream this up here, stick it in here. It's gonna take a couple applications to get this right, but once you get done, it's better and easier than changing the whole freaking thing, if that makes any sense. So you just gotta be a little artistic. See what I'm doing here? Any dummy could do this. And the more you do it, applications, the more perfect it's gonna get. And that's what I'm using here is liquid nails. Everybody's gonna ask, what are you using? You can pump this up with foam, take a razor blade and cut it all smooth, and then use liquid nails. Then you'd have that foam doing all the job, but I just do it this way. This is what I got handy right now. So now I'm gonna do the other side also. You could wait for it to dry if you're worried about it, or you can cream this thing right now. And the only reason I'm getting grass everywhere on this because the guy just cut the lawn, and I'm trying to record this for you guys, and I'm really busy doing crap, but I really don't want all this grass in there is what's going on. But I'm trying to move quick, and also I am the camera guy here. My camera guy quit on me, believe that? Said I wasn't paying him. Huh, just kidding. I can't afford a camera guy, you guys. I'm not no giant YouTuber making millions of dollars. We just make chump change. Anyways, you guys get the idea. Try to copy the pattern. When I get down here, I usually just use my finger and smooth it all out. This stuff dries pretty quick, the one I'm using liquid nails, heavy duty. All right, so you can use your hands, use your fingers. I'm gonna show you guys one that I just put a coat on over here. This is only one coat. This looked terrible before I did it. It was all cracked up. Oh, by the way, that guy's fired from cutting my lawn. There is a little hole here, right here, and I got it filled. This stuff will shrink, so the second coat is gonna look amazing. Probably the third coat, and then you could just paint it if you need to. This one matches it pretty good, and it's a rental property. I probably won't even end up painting it unless I have, yeah, I do have the color actually. But you guys could get the idea. This thing was shattered, probably about 3 inches up. I got those wood shims on the backside pushing in. There's a little hole. This whole part was chunked out. Got the camera set down for you guys. I'm gonna show you guys how this happens. One more time. Cream the stick. Make sure the stick fits in there. Shim, stick, whatever the heck you got. You could probably stick a damn bag in there if you wanted to. It doesn't matter. The liquid nails is the thing that's holding it, not really the stick. Creaming that, pushing my finger up against this right here so it can lock in and dry. That's all we want. You could probably just do this and walk away. As long as, always do less. Less is better. Less glue all over the place. Because when it shrinks, then you can come back and put more. But if you put too much, then you find yourselves trying to cut it. Does that make any sense? Because then you're trying to make it look the same. You don't want anybody to know you fixed this. Darn grass in there. I should have done a better job cleaning that out. All right, but this is really what happens, you guys. This is real life. I'm not sitting here trying to edit shit and make like it's perfect and easy. It's not. This is what happens, all right? All right, I think I got this one pretty good. Got it where I want it. I mean, look at that, guys. Would you just look at it? That's funny. Everybody knows about that. If you don't know about that, just look it up. Okay? All right, so that's it. I got this one pretty good. It's already drying up on me, which is awesome. I could probably finish this off today. All right, so there you go. The next coat, if you guys ever done drywall, you guys know it takes 3 applications or so, and then you get it almost perfect. So as this shrinks and dries, I'm gonna hit it again. Got a big crack right here, and you could take a stick and try to shove it in there, but it's got support back there, right there, so I don't really need to do that. I'm gonna shove some liquid nails in there and wipe it and show you guys how this goes. If you've got no support, stuff a garbage bag in there if you want. And who cares, a tube of liquid nails is like $5, you know? All right, so I'm gonna shove this in here. There we go, creaming it. Got that done. Taking a little stick, clean it off. Got grass everywhere. And just wipe it. Get all the excess off. Got nowhere to wipe this. I'm wiping on my freaking pants. Love these jeans. I think I paid $200 for them. Just kidding. All right. I'm trying to make sure I got the camera focused for you guys. It's almost like I gotta set the camera down to get this right. We're just gonna play with it. You can get your fingers wet and get it to really slide. This stuff's drying up on me. It's like 80 degrees out here. Let me try this real quick. That did nothing that way. You know what though? Better than a stupid hole. All right, you guys get the idea. Let's keep watching. Before this dries, I got a razor blade. This might help you guys. Find different tools that'll help you. This is what's helping me, okay? You get it? If you don't get it, get your wife to help you. Maybe your kid. Somebody can do it if you can't do it. It's been about 4 days. It shrunk a little bit. You get all this excess here. Next time I'll probably use some painter's tape and put it around it. That way I don't gotta clean all this up. Got a sanding block right here. I'm gonna clean this all up, get it all cleaned. It's gonna take some, not too hard elbow grease. Painter's tape on there. Gonna go with the second coat right now. I did use a sanding sponge. I think it was a rough grit. I can't remember which one it is. It doesn't matter which one you use. Just use one with a good damn grit. Don't ask me what kind of grit it was. My guess this is probably 80 to 100 grit. Anyways, I cleaned it off with a little bit of water. It came off about 90%. I'm gonna get it off next time when we clean this up. Here we go. I got a little, I don't know, a stick. You know what it is. Here we go. Second coat going on. Real pretty, guys. Real pretty. Another one on the house. It doesn't look like that bad, but I just popped this piece back in place, if you can see that. This one I'm putting back in place. And over here, it's all cracked. I'm gonna put some wood support behind here. We're gonna do the same method. Liquid one all creamed up. It does have wood support behind it. I don't know if I can show you guys. I don't know if you can see that, because I can't tell. We'll find out. Anyways, that's what's going on. We're fixing this shit, and you better thank me. Thank my grandma, thank my daddy and my mama for making me, or you would have never seen this video. We're gonna sand it, and we're gonna keep going with it. Got it sanded, I'm gonna cream it. Remember, this is like art. You don't have to sand it all down and get it all perfect, because once you get this creamed up pretty good, it's all about, it's like artistic. With this liquid nails, you only have a little bit of time, but once you paint this stuff, it'll be good as new. So don't be scared. I'm trying to get the grass off this damn stick I got. Sorry for the shaky camera. Here we go. Got it. Try to get this in the video for you guys. And it's hard holding the camera and showing you guys at the same time, you know? Who could do that? You probably gotta be a pretty smart guy to do that kind of stuff, you know? It's not easy. Just so you know. All right. I probably gotta put the camera down to get this right, guys. I can't do it like that. I'm gonna let it dry. It's coming, guys. It's coming. Another one, guys. I'm probably just gonna end the video because you guys get the point. It's a process. It takes about 4 applications on each one. When you're done, it should disappear and you'll never know. Try to copy these little grooves. You gotta be artistic and just get it. Just use this piece of wood or something or a trowel and go up and down, you know? And then paint it, and then you're good. Another thing that I can tell you guys for a tip, when you do spread this, go with the wood grain. You see the fake grain going up and down? Go up and down. You don't want to wipe it left and right. That's the biggest mistake you can make, and it's not going to look good. But just look how good this is looking. Would you just look at it? Just look at it. Anyways, it was all cracked up over here. The holes are gone, the cracks are gone. It's coming along real nice.